好多當地人好食啦。Google Map 上面有28000幾個評分，都仲係4.5分。我食呢個拿卡沙店湯
玉米餅咧，一個就係 cheese， 一個就係 cheese with pork 嘅。
呢個係牛扒湯，
呢個就係粟米餅上面有牛扒。佢唔得喎，想影下佢嘅圖文不符喎。佢原本係咁樣樣嘅喎。我去兩兜嘢係一樣樣。係啊。
因為易接受啲咯，但係啲嘢好似係啱啱組裝埋一齊，冇好用。大家唔使嚟呢間。
個底係勁厚咯，冇得唔難食咯，鞋霎霎咁樣咧，啲醬汁又完全冇乜味咁樣啦，成件事係唔知食緊啲乜嘢嘢。墨西哥落地第一餐，我嘅感言就係我未食過咁難食嘅嘢。我覺得成餐最好食係呢杯水，好爽，因為可以沖走我喺嗰邊好難食嘅味道。你有咩感想？
花葱咯，有啲味道嘅。
試下就算啦，我哋。我哋而家喺度等緊一架唔知會唔會嚟嘅巴士，係冇任何巴士牌㗎。哇！It's tamale。墨西哥人咧成日食個 breakfast 嚟㗎。哇！啲豬肉糕咁樣。哦。街市啲飯啦，食落去。It doesn't taste like meat.
No, it's corn and inside there is meat. It's not all meat.
佢哋帶咗我哋嚟呢間餐廳啦。La Casa de Abuelo 就係爺爺啦。
So you normally put a little bit of onion and then you put some lettuce. So this is corn and then you have meat inside. So as you can see, there is chicken here and they put pork as well.
Oh, sorry. It's quite good actually. Yeah, it's better than our last meal yesterday. 菜有用嘅湯咧就比較亞洲人口味。
What is this?
Panucho. It's again corn, which is cooked with orange juice and some.
Orange juice?
Yeah.
我好中意食呢個喎。
This is
So good.
You really like
Yeah.
it?
It's a bit sour. I can taste the orange juice.
yeah,
These are corn.
from different type of
Beef.
Beef and this
chili.
is chili with corn, with more corn.
我個辣椒擺入去都可以好夾喎，成件事。
It's called quesadilla.
呢個唔係 corn 啊，總之係呢個麵粉嘅餅。
This is onion and tomato. It's crispy, but
Yeah.
at the same time it's soft. This one.
炸豬皮啊！呢個成塊就食。好食啊！好似炸魚皮啊個味道，係咪啊？好鬆脆啊！
We'll put the flour that's called
Tempasochi.
Senpasochi.
Supposed to guide the dead into the place where all the food is. So they should follow the flowers in order to get to the place.
You go 'cause I knew you preferred it.
Chocolate water. 哇，好難飲啊！
This is cacao is the chocolate is made of cacao. Like it or not? To be honest. No.
其實比着如果我哋有試過嘅話咧，我哋絕對一定唔會食啲街頭小食。係咯，咁樣擺喺度喺度剝咁樣咯。多呢啲馬騮咯，係你會擺喺個頭度啊！你如果喺一個仙人掌上面見到隻鷹食緊條蛇嘅話，你就要喺嗰度建立文明啦。直接爬翻落嚟係嘛？嚇，係你自己爬上去㗎？So they climb up by themselves。
Yeah, yeah.
嚟到呢個日月金字塔嘅位置啦，咁呢個成個 area 咧就叫做 Teotihuacan。一嚟咧就行緊呢條路咧就叫做亡者之路啊 ，The Avenue of Death。以前咧祭祀嘅時候咧會將啲年輕嘅男女咧就喺條路度一路運過去，去到我哋正前方呢個咧係月亮金字塔。太陽金字塔而家咧就係世界第3大嘅金字塔，近睇我覺得還好咯。佢唔算好高啊！有個 photographer Alfredo 喺度指導界 pose 添啊！哇！你高個金字塔啊，見唔見到？唔同埃及嗰啲唔係攞嚟做墳墓。樓梯咧係想到佢唔好入口嘅喎，明白？佢個建設嘅目的。我哋終於嚟到呢個亡者之路嘅盡頭啦！咁去到呢個月亮金字塔。
多呢啲小塔咁樣嘅。係估唔到自己有朝一日真係跨越半個地球嚟到呢個拉丁美洲嘅墨西哥，睇緊呢個世界第3大嘅金字塔。我真係估唔到自己有呢一日啊！今日嚟飲呢個 World Best Bar 嘅 Top 3啊，好犀利咧！呢間就叫做 Handshake Speak Easy 啦。咁 Speak Easy 嘅意思咧就係你講就容易，但係你揾到佢門口或者入到去咧係少難度嘅。咁咧佢係唔可以去敲門或者坐入去咧。我個把手你開唔到門咯。咁我就想 book 嗰陣咧，咁佢就話嚟緊2個禮拜已經 full booking 晒㗎啦。咁琴日嚟試 walk in 咧，咁就係冇位咁，所以我哋就 book 咗今日嘅7點，佢就話有位。哦，原來個入口唔係頭先嗰個入口嚟㗎。所以就叫 Speak Easy 啊。同嘅 nuts mixture 啦，同埋 grasshopper， 自我感覺不良好。我哋幫佢呢個 butter mushroom old fashion 呢個蘑菇啦 ，brown butter 啦 ，maple 同黑糖嘅。我覺得有啲洋酒味啦。哇！佢個酒好重啊，唔係咁多蘑菇味咯，好辣，好過口啊！佢話係 full body 啦 ，complex 啦，好多種口味。I don't like it。你試下佢個菇啊！我好中意個菇啊，係咩？係真係好新鮮嘅感覺啦！你好差評個酒過，浸咗啲酒啦，跟住你喺個菇入邊飲咗個酒嘅鮮味，呢啲先至係料理嘅高階。即刻加分係咪啊？個酒加分。咁我呢杯就叫做 Matcha Yuzu 啦。咁佢今次個 menu 係冇嘅，但係我係本身係 online 見到咧，好多人推介呢個，問佢啦，佢話啊佢可以特別調俾我喎，咁價錢都同其他一樣咁樣，咁我就梗係好啦。聞落去冇味，我好中意喎，你 fashion 啲啊，酸酸地啊，咁樣唔甜咯，抹茶嘅甘香，係竟然冇好違和啦，好易入口啦，女仔一定會中意啊，好好飲啊而家，真係啊，咁誇張爭咁遠，多咗條菇之後，頭先可能我係真係5分嘅啦，而家係8分咯。做咩咁樣樣啊？真係完全係冬陰功味咯，但係好清爽噶咯，係。即係你 suppose 冬陰功係 spicy 㗎嘛，但係佢係成件事好 fresh 咯，我覺得我係唔知㗎咯。呢個 Once a Point in Oaxaca， 咦好特別喎，輕微嘅煙燻，喺啲喉嚨度咧有分㗎。佢開頭係清新㗎啦，有啲檸檬味啦，但係後面係真係苦㗎咯，個過山車咁樣。世界第3嘅酒吧。我哋喺墨西哥啊 ，cheers 咯嚇！我哋喺墨西哥啊！我哋嗌咗 taco， 因為實在收唔到 WiFi data， 所以我哋即係求其點咯。咁呢個 rib eye 啦，睇得明啦，呢個就係叫 pasto， 都唔知咩嚟嘅，應該係豬肉 sauce 咧係分開，咁就俾你哋自己揀㗎啦。佢個底係用粟米餅嘅又係，真係好食。好似鋸咁排，我覺得佢啲牛咧油脂分佈好適中咯，係有少少焦香嘅。呢個70塊都係，好食啊！就完全係你想象嘅味道咯。係咯，個詳細撈唔切啦，咁所以我哋唔知點樣講蘑菇啊。跟住我就畫咗幅畫俾佢睇啦，又估唔到個攝影知道我講咩咯。我哋而家嚟到呢個改革大道啊，條大道就會有好多Coco 嘅展覽啦，因為佢早幾日就有個展品嘅遊行啦，咁遊行完之後咧，佢哋就會擺喺度做展覽啦。
feels like a crowd of you, theories in practice, and I won't fact check you away.
我哋試下佢哋嘅街頭小食啊，係成個 pancake 在入邊嘅轉咗 Nutella。烤豬皮係咪啊？有兩款醬可以揀㗎啦，一個咧就係 cream 啦，另一個就係沙茶醬。咁佢會另外落啲粉咧，唔知咩粉，再加青檸。呢個醬好開胃。酸皮辣辣地。係墨西哥城其中一個地標啊，革命紀念塔啊。中間就有條電梯直上到頂啦，當地人話覺得都係值得去望下呢個城市景觀㗎啦。咁但係入去嘅入場費咧就係150 peso 嘅。
所以我哋走啦。
走啦！我哋嚟到呢個墨西哥城嘅藝術宮啦。咁入邊咧就有一個好靚嘅大理石表演廳啦，同埋會有 Diego 嘅壁畫啦。
And pray. It feels like a crowd of you, theories in practice, and I won't fact check you. Think we're all his creation, and you, the only thing I put my faith in.
呢間係 American Eagle 嚟㗎，我以為出去整到。行喺條街度不停咁聞到啲大麻味道啦。咁然後啱啱咧就睇咗啊，墨西哥咧而家係大麻合法化㗎啦，每個成年嘅國民咧可以擁有28.3公克嘅大麻啦，同埋可以種6支大麻。咁我哋咪吸咗好多二手大麻咯。第一個去呢間 Speak Easy Bar 嘅入口喺邊度咧？啤酒淨係得一層喎，好有可能。好得意㗎！呢度咧就係有呢個，好似類似嗰啲菲林嗰啲啦，放入嚟呢度啦，跟住你就可以睇啦。哇！見到意大利啦，係啦。之後咧就可以喺呢一個 menu 度睇到佢嘅 ingredient 啊。我哋今次嚟到呢間就係喺世界排名第11嘅 bar， 所以我哋琴日就過咗嚟 book 今日嘅，咁就係5點半啦。Canada。Tartlux 呢杯 Tartlux 咧，好似嗰啲水果味嘅汽水咁樣咯。抹茶酒啦，同埋康薯油。抹茶就唔係好飲到啦。咁呢杯咧就叫做 Canada， 就有呢個杏桃同埋有啲提子。覺得有少少似梅酒啦 ，tequila base 㗎啦，好甜啊！我哋兩個都對呢間有點失望，冇去到即係世界11嗰種感覺。
We have 5 dishes and 1 dessert in the last. You want something, please?
我哋今次又嚟 Handshake Speak Easy 啦。我想 update 一樣嘢咧，就係上次話佢2023年第3名啦，但係原來咧佢係2024年咧排緊 number 1㗎。原來佢上下層咧又係唔同 menu。Caprese 咧就係將啲羅勒葉咧擺到雪櫃雪咗2日之後咧，再同番茄水溝埋一齊。咁呢杯咧就係大部分係水果嘅 mix 啦，咁佢有香蕉同埋檸檬啦，然後仲有 vanilla 加埋 Greek yogurt 啊，所以就會係 milky 啲嘅。Carino 開始先，係好飲嘅酒喎，係幾清新嘅。開頭係酸酸地啦 ，vanilla 同埋檸檬都好重嘅味。佢個後勁咧係飲完之後咧先會散發啲 Greek yogurt 出嚟嘅。咁我要 try 我呢個 Caprese 啦，好 plain 嘅。佢話 tomato 又一啲都唔同咯。哇！我聞落去真係番茄味啊！哇，係咪啊？係啊，好似食 pizza 咁。好似真係個田園度摘個番茄啊！啲人推薦話好好食，我哋就嗌嚟食咯。呢個就250 peso 嘅。咁我哋啲酒就各300 peso。呢個咧就係我哋期待已久嘅 peanut butter jelly 啦。咁佢咧就有 peanut butter 啦，入邊係紅桑子，所以就係成塊包咁樣，係 white chocolate 白朱古力，同埋入邊有啲紅桑子醬。佢飲落去偏甜 ，peanut butter 少啲喎，我覺得。呢隻咬啖再飲啦。開頭第一次試嗰啖係冇 peanut butter 味，因為我冇咬呢個咯。個鹹香咧會出緊。係啊，因為白朱古力係滑啲、順口啲咯，係真係需要咁樣食咯。好神奇啊！呢樣嘢你覺唔覺？即係齋飲咧係
出嚟嗰粒要靠埋食上面嗰嚿，哇！
咁呢就好特別啦，即係色香味俱全咁樣，要你成個 package 咁樣。呢個係不愧係佢哋 number one bar。呢叫做 Matcha Dame Blanche 啦，咁佢咧係 gin base 嘅，有抹茶、有 vanilla 啦、Greek yogurt 啊，仲有 white chocolate 嘅，你聞到係咩味？
有啲酸酸地嘅香薰味咯，
係飲落去都係咯，
佢幾有層次喎。佢個 matcha 味後面先湧出嚟喎，開頭係酸啦，跟住又甜啦，跟住就 matcha 味好 refreshing。咁我哋今次嘅世界第一嘅 World Best Bar 完結啦 ！Cheers！
我哋有研究我哋支蒙比迪啊。